Ladies and gentlemen, once again I'm Nev from Nev's Tack Bits. Got a scratch across one of my LED or LCD monitors and I want to try a trick where you use an eraser to take it off. I tried it before and it worked minimally. This seems like a minimal scratch, so let's give it a minimal solution. There are different kinds of erasers that you can use, of course. So let's see. And then I got something stuck on right there. Yeah, well, it took off whatever that thing was. I definitely think it minimized this minimal scratch. Let's turn it off. See if it looks any different. You can see we definitely have the eraser. Actually, sorry, you're supposed to do it up and down like this. Maybe I should be doing it this way. Okay, and of course, next up we're going to hit it. Once we just kind of get that off of it, we're going to hit it with some rubbing alcohol, at least 50%. So I can still kind of see it here. What really sucks is I made it there by cleaning it off. I didn't realize there was a little piece of plastic on the edge of my thingy-ma-who's-it. Okay, so it's there, but it's not quite as bad. It definitely has minimized it. It's brought it down. I don't think anything is going to get that off altogether. But that is how you can minimize this stuff, ladies and gentlemen, using an eraser. So you can definitely still see it. That really sucks. But with an eraser, you can bring down the marks on your monitor. And that's it for me, folks. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. It's always appreciated. As always, take care of each other, folks.